A faction of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, ZNLWVA, has strongly criticized the government's recent decision to allow beneficiaries of the land reform program to sell or transfer their lands. Sana pina mashoko anobuda togwa panapa ndakumana mawu veterans vamunza kuti awa ndo vane impact yakanyanya, ndo vane influence yatikuona kuti iri ku criticize zviri strong to the government pamwechete leaders ayo kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mzimba anyora vachiti, led by Andres Matibela, this faction argues that permitting land sales undermines the sacrifices made during the liberation struggle and primarily benefits a privileged few rather than the broader population. In a press conference held in Bulawayo on Tuesday, Matibela expressed his discontent with the government's approach, stating, "Who are we selling it to? What will happen to our future generations when we sell the land that many lives were lost fighting for?" He emphasized that the government's announcement made live on television should have involved public consultation. "I hope society misunderstood what the government said," he added. Matibela further warned that once the land is sold, it will not expand beyond Zimbabwe's borders, noting that means once you sell the land, only a few people will hold onto it. Ndo mashoko anotokwa na Matibela panapa vachicriticize mashoko akatogwa negovernment atikuona kuti aiwa vari kuisa mablows aiwa vachivaudza kuti aiwa zvamuri kuita izvi aiwa zvino undermine progress neexpansion of our own country, and on top of that, who are we selling that land to? Mashoko anouya panapa toona mamwe veterans anenge achikanda majabs kune the government nokuda the live announcement yavakaita patelevision. Tunze mafunguro enyu notodi pamusoro pechitiko izvi. Muna comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.